TAO Pro supports Bluetooth remote control. As you can see, there is a Bluetooth controller in my hand. By using this, we can switch the PGM of the TAO Pro. Also, we can control this tiny camera and make it move. As you can see, there is a Bluetooth controller in my hand. There are 4 buttons on it, standing for the 2 HDMI input and 2 UVC input. And there is a joystick using for the camera control. Now I press button C, it will switch to UVC camera. And then I will press button A, it will come back to the HDMI input. And then the joystick can make the camera moving. Here in the system setting, we can see the Bluetooth option. And we need to turn on the switch. And we can see the Bluetooth controller is connected.